Good day everyone, this is James. In this video, we'll be exploring Ubuntu using the terminal and we'll perform some basic commands on it. Before we jump to Ubuntu, the first thing we need to talk about is the existence of Linux. In a nutshell, Linux is an operating system. So let us recall that the purpose of the operating system is allows the software to talk to the hardware. In the previous activity, my partner Renriel explore Windows CMD and she performs the basic commands using the command prompt. So let's get it started. Let us implement the command that my partner did in Windows command prompt, but this time I'll be using the Ubuntu's terminal. Let's start with dir command. A dir command displays information about file and directories. So as what you can see, it displays the information about file and directories, which is desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. A cd command allows you to move between directories. So what you can see, there is a successful change in the directory from the default to documents. A pwd command shows the current directory. ls command, a directory listing. It is used to list information about files and directories within the file system. As what you can see in the ls command, it shows the list of information about files and directories, and it shows the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. cd desktop command, it moves the directory to the desktop. An mkdir command is a command that create a directory dir. mkdir command, it is a command that create a directory dir. rm command, it is a command that deletes a file. the file will not be deleted because it is not a file, it is a directory. In deleting a directory, we'll use the command rm-rfdir and the file name. So we will create another directory. The directory name is James. Then we will see it if it will appear on the desktop. Then using that command, it will delete the directory. Touch command creates a file. So what you can see, it creates a file on the desktop. It appears on the desktop. Rm command is a command that deletes a file. It deletes the file name Boyatac using the rm command. Okay, we will create another file. The name of the file is file1. It appears on the desktop. And create another file, which is file2, and it also appears on the desktop. Cp command, it is a command that copy file1 to file2. But in this case, it will not copy another file, because it must be only one file, so that it will copy another file, which is file2. So we will delete the two files using rm command. We'll create another file, which is file1. Then it appears on the desktop. Okay, we will copy the file using the cp command. Then file1 is copied by file2. Then we will create another file. It appears on the desktop, Kaloy. mv command is a command that rename or remove file 1 to file 2. So in that case, that it is wrong, because the destination file operand is missing. Then we will delete that file using rm command. Then create another file, Kaloy1. Then it appears on the desktop. Then we will rename or remove file 1 to file 2. As what you can see, from Kaloy1, it turns out, or it rename to another file name, which is Kaloy2. Okay, let's continue the Ubuntu terminal exploration. As usual, cd desktop, change directory to desktop, then we'll create another file which is Mobile Legends file. Cat command. A cat command places standard input into file. Then we will input a contents in the file. This content is heroes in are heroes in Mobile Legends. These here these heroes are frequent. These heroes in Mobile Legends. I frequently use them in Mobile Legends. We have Aldous, Kufra, Layla, Matilda, Tigreal, Cho, Akai, Glue, Roger, Angela. We have also Hylos. Remember, every content content on this file or every hero on this corresponds on corresp- as a corresponds into every line. Aldous corresponds line 1 and so on. Lancelot, we have Lolita, we have Pauvius, Claude, and Alucard. To exit the cat command, simply use Ctrl plus D. Then the content this in the cat file will appear in the Mobile Legends file. These are the heroes in Mobile Legends. It corresponds into a line. Every hero corresponds a line. More command. More command outputs the contents of the file. So as what you can see, the contents in the file appears on it. That's a command of more. Then tail command. A tail command output the last 10 lines of the file. As what you can see, it outputs the last 10 lines of the file, namely Edith, Carrie, Joehead, Balmond, Selena, Lancelot, Dolita, Povius, Claude, and Alucard. Head command. A head command output the first 10 lines of file, but in this case, the the spelling is wrong, so head is not found. Okay, so what you can see, it outputs the first 10 lines of the file, namely Aldous, Kufra, Layla, Matilda, Tigreal, Joe, Kai, Glue, Roger, and Angela. think that would be all. Thank you for listening.